Hey there, if your iPhone is overheating while you're trying to update it, you're not alone. This issue can happen for several reasons, like too many background processes running, heavy app usage, or even some software glitches. But don't worry, I've got you covered with some simple steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. Let's get into it. Before you start, turn off the reduce motion feature. First, open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on accessibility. Then tap on motion. Now turn off the reduce motion feature. A lot of people don't realize it, but the reduce motion setting can actually cause your iPhone to overheat, so make sure to turn it off before moving on to the next steps. Now let's dive into the main fixes to help your iPhone cool down during updates. Solution 1. Check for intensive background processes. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on battery. Next, tap on battery usage to see if any apps are using up too much power. If you notice any apps that are draining a lot of battery, force close them by swiping up from the bottom of the screen and swiping the app away. You can also offload apps to free up some space and reduce the strain on your iPhone by following these steps. Go to Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap on iPhone Storage. Select the app you want to offload, then tap Offload App. Solution 2. Disable background app refresh. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on General. Scroll down again and tap on Background App Refresh. Then select Off to prevent apps from refreshing in the background. This helps reduce the load on your battery and keeps it cooler. Solution 3. Enable Low Power Mode. Low Power Mode reduces the power your iPhone uses, which can help prevent the battery from overheating. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on Battery. Then toggle on Low Power Mode. This will temporarily reduce your iPhone's performance and some features, but it's a great way to keep your battery cool when it's working hot. Solution 4. Update iOS to the latest version. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General. Then tap on Software Update and check if there's an update available. If there's an update, go ahead and install it. Updates often come with the bug fixes and optimizations that can help prevent overheating issues. By following these steps, your iPhone should stop overheating while updating. Hopefully these solutions helped, and let me know in the comments if they worked or not, or if you have any more questions. I'm happy to help.